up and over. 3, put it right onto her shoulder on 4, but then right as you get to the shoulder, you're gonna release. So as you cross the track, heading towards the mirror, again, it just unwinds her, puts her in that prepped position. From there, she's gonna free spin out for 7 and 8, then 9 and 10. So then from there, we add it on again, and during the 9 and 10, the gentleman roll into the arm. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 and 6, everything's the same. 7 and 8, you keep the hand. 9 and 10, roll to your left, step sideways into the arm to create the connection point. So as the hand moves away from her, there is no way that I could spin, right? It's not coming around me, it's moving away. So it forces me into a linear walk. So as I walk, she's gonna have 4 walks as Dan rotates his center, aligning, presenting the hand just a little bit to open my right side. He does a walk as she free spins. Anchor step, we'll do that from the other side. So this time it goes like this. So 1, 2, 3,